How to make hot dogs is the content of our today's video. Hello friends. I'm the chef of the Cook's Home channel. Wishing you and your family a wonderful day and lots of fun. Today we have bread, sausage, cheese, eggs. I will use them to make a delicious hot dog. Do it with me. It's simple and very easy to do. So I won't talk much about how to do it anymore. Let's take the time to talk and share about life. My country is still poor, there are many people still starving. So I feel very happy to sit here and share with you about the food. I hope to have the opportunity to welcome you in my country. Please follow me. It's so simple. You can also share more ways with me in the comments. Thank you very much. If you find the video interesting and valuable, please share it with me. Here I make 4 hot dogs. Do them one by one until the end. I also really want to make vlogs about my hometown's cuisine. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. If you like, I can make them when I can. There will be many hacks that will surprise you. What do you guys think about the sound in my video? I just want to bring out the most authentic in each of my videos. Hope you feel it. There are many different ways to make hot dogs. And this is how I made it. Every member of my family loves it. Looks great, doesn't it? Let me know how you feel about this approach of mine. Thank you very much. Just that's it for today, guys. Now I'll bring them to everyone to eat. Goodbye and see you in the next videos. If you find the video interesting and meaningful, please help me share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.